HVAC people!
Alright, so we got a unit that's icing up. It ran it all last night, but I had to turn it off this morning. Just lowered the set point to 69. I took a look at the evaporator coil. It looked like the unit was installed maybe about 2 weeks ago. And got a new coil and new condenser. I suppose so I'm gonna go check the pressures, see what we got. Got a TXV, but go check out pressures. Got good airflow. I might take a look at that filter. Pretty clean. All right. So when it was installed, the guy installed it, all they did was release the charge because it was storming. We've been getting a lot of bad weather here lately. So expect it might just be low on the refrigerant. I got 82 PSI. .410A. Yeah, I got 0-degree subcooling. So right now, I'm just gonna charge it up for him. Guy I'm helping out, this is his job. I'm gonna charge it up by subcooling, and if he got a leak or something, he'll have to deal with it when he get back in town. Yeah, just have to monitor it. But like I say, all he did was release the charge, so I'm gonna charge it up for him. All right, so roughly we're looking at probably about 87 degrees here. So, what size unit this is? This is a 59. 59, then we're looking at probably about 87 on that 59. So we're looking at just about 3 degrees subcooling. So let's see if we can get that up a little bit. And we know we got to get this 82 above 100 on 410A so it won't freeze. put about a pound in there. So you want about 3 degrees subcooling. Close that. See, saturation still freezing. 410A, you want to charge in increments. That's 1.2 pounds. You put a little bit more in here. Alright, so that's 2.6 pounds right there. And about 1.3 sub cooling. So I'm gonna let that run about 5 minutes. Alright, so after running about 10 minutes, I'm at 2.2 sub cooling. Saturation temp is 42 degrees. I'm gonna leave it right here. Where it says right here, see, it gives you plus or minus 1 on the sub cooling. They're asking for 3, so I'm at 2.2. So like I said, when the guy was here, it was storming, it was kind of cool, so he couldn't really charge it up at the time of the install. So hopefully that does the trick, but that at least give them time. If it's, I'm gonna take a screenshot and send it to him of my pressures and my sub cooling, and if he get a call back, he's gonna have to do a leak search on the unit or try to find out, do more of a diagnostic. But I checked the filters and it's getting good airflow, so I think it just needs to be charged up correctly. All right, thanks for watching. All right, so it's been running for about 22 minutes. As you can see, my final sub cooling is going to be about 2.8, so it's right at 3. So this is the information that I will document. So I mean, it's charged correctly now. All right, as you can see, it's way up. Above freezing. So hopefully they're good to go.